How to upload your app or game on Google Play Store 2025 full guide. So first of all, you need to search for Google Play Console or Google Play developer account, and if we click on Google Play Console, we just have to click on sign up, or we can just simply search for Google Play developer console. And as you can see from here, you just have to simply click on Google Play Console from here, and so after that you have to scroll down and click on go to Play Console, and it will redirect you to this page. To get started, choose your account type. You have to choose your account type: a company or business, a government organization, education institute, or a non-profit. You just simply click on company or business, and then you just have to click on get started, and after that you have to click on continue. So you just simply need to give them a developer name. I'll just give the developer name at Rick's Creation and click on next, and link a payment profile to verify your organization. And you just have to simply create a new payment profile for that, and after that you have to simply give your details of your organization, public developer, create a public developer profile and write something about you and apps if you previously uploaded one, or if you have ready apps, that details. And after that you have to give the how Google contacts you. You have to give your contract information, and you have to accept the terms and condition after that. And after that you can just select your game, select the default language and add the name of your app as you want it appear on Google Play. You can change this later, and after that specify whether your application is an app or a game. You can change this later, and then specify whether your application is free or paid. Add an email address that Play Store users can use to contact you about this application. In the declaration section, you can click on acknowledge the developer program policies and US export laws declarations, and accept the Play app signing up terms and services, and then select create app. So that's it. That's how you can upload your app or game to Google Play Store in 2025. See you on the next video, guys.